In this video, Bitcoin is right now about to hit a massive resistance, but the question is this the last pump before we are going to see a massive crash? Well, stay tuned to know more.
Big scene, catching us on the big screen. 16 bar slicker is pristine. Let's stream everything that we spit clean. Big jeans, pockets are looking mint green.
Welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, earlier this video I have shown a quick clip of what I've been doing outside of the crypto scene, and I've been focusing more on the car contents. So if you also want to follow me outside of the crypto scene, make sure to also check my YouTube account. I will put that, guys, in the description down below. My Instagram account din yun. And of course, purely aesthetics and purely outside of crypto yun. And siguro time to time papasukan natin ng crypto yun, yung mga tipong car contents with crypto. But yeah, I will be posting that, all of those videos, in those YouTube account and Instagram account. It's in the link in the description down below. But anyway, let's now dive in dito with the Bitcoin price action, and let's understand where are we coming from now with the Bitcoin price action. So in the previous video, I mentioned to you guys that we have been forming a bear flag nga dito in the Bitcoin price action, wherein we are consistently seeing this wedge forming dito. And as you can see, this is also a bear flag. If you're going to plot a line from the previous high to the lowest low, ayan, around this area, and if you put this at the potential point of breakout, you will find that 54,000 US dollars is more likely going to be the target of this bear flag. And the bad thing about with this Bitcoin move that we are currently seeing is the price is currently increasing from this downtrend, which is usually that's not how we usually want to see a bullish retracement or a bullish move. Kasi historically speaking, Bitcoin should always be on a downtrend, yung pababa na ganyan, yung falling wedge, in order for us to see a pump to the upside or a trend reversal to the upside. Similar to what we have seen sa previous market cycle, if you're going to look back again in time, let's try to go back dito. Ito, this area, let's try to remove the drawing first. So ayan, this area wherein we have been seeing that declining price, ayan no, this is a declining price, the Bitcoin. But after the declining price, as you can see, we have seen an uptrend kay Bitcoin. And this was back in 2022. So if we want to see the similar mover and we are going to see a bullish movement, then it should be a falling price action, which is right now we are not seeing that. So going back with the latest Bitcoin price action, what's happening now here with the very short term? So if, as you can see, Bitcoin has also started a ascending channel dito, and an ascending channel is, as you can see, has formed a breakout. And usually, if we are going to capture this move, you will get the height of this channel, then put this at the potential point of breakout. You will find the 75k is still possible, but 75k is also going to be a massive resistance because of this resistance forming in this rising wedge. So as you can see, we have seen Bitcoin get rejected in that area multiple times with this trend line. So 75k is more likely going to be a massive or clear resistance dito kay Bitcoin. And I will not be trading this kasi masyado na siyang alanganin, and as you can see, masyado na siyang late na kasi nagkaroon na siya ng breakout, and I think it's too late na. So I won't be trading that. But what I am going to trade instead is if we are going to get a rejection dito with the Bitcoin price action, then I am going to open a short position dito targeting the support area of this wedge, which is playing around the 69,000 to 70,000 US dollars. So around that area yung magiging trade ko dito with the Bitcoin price action. So that is what I am monitoring, and if we are going to see a breakdown dito, if we see candle closes below the support area, then we are going to target dito the 62,000 US dollars muna, 62,800, and then after that we are going to target the next area, which is the 58,000 US dollars, and then so on, the 54,000 US dollars. So that is what I am currently monitoring with the Bitcoin price right now. And take note, I am currently trading this with Bybit, MEXC, as well as Wix. So make sure to use my sign up link if you're going to trade with those platforms, and you can also claim up to 5,000 US dollar bonus if you're going to use my sign up link. All of the sign up links are available in the description down below. But anyway, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.